Primetime news this evening, pressure growing on the JPS over its failure to restore power to some customers.
Heightened security measures in place as standoff over lumber escalates in the cockpit country.
And retrial or no retrial, Vybz Kartel and his co-accused to know fate on Wednesday. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And a special hello to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. I'm Janella Precious. And with a preview of what's to come in business news, here's Javon Keys.
Well, Janella, everywhere you turn, you hear the term ESG. What's that all about and why is it so critical for business? I'll have the details later on in the business day.
Thank you, Keys. And Giovanni Dennis is here with a preview of what's coming up in Primetime Sports.
Well, Archibald, Steve Bruce, a former Manchester United player and manager of several English clubs, strongly linked with a move to manage the Reggae Boys. I'll tell you more about that in Primetime Sports. And also, over 30 Jamaicans competing for the first time at the Olympics. I'll have the details.
A big number.
Yeah. Exciting stuff. That means our medal haul is going to be up there. My expectations are high. Anyway, Romain is also here with a preview of the weather report and forecast.
Including what's going to happen in Paris.
Oh, yeah.
Thanks, Janella. Thanks, Archie. Now, across the area for much of this week, we are expecting isolated shower and thunderstorm activity in the afternoons. It peaks on Friday when we do have some weather coming in from a weak tropical wave that is expected to be in the Central Caribbean.
But to find out what's going to happen in Paris, you'll have to stick around for the weather report and forecast later on. There is also sports commentary and E-Prime in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening, we are asking, what Olympic events have you enjoyed watching so far and why?
I have an answer for that. My answer is judo. You can share your comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, and you can post on X at TVJ News Center.
Do you know that there's also break dancing?
I saw it. I saw
that is a sport. Today. It's an Olympic sport. I think Jamaica would have mashed up break dancing. I don't know. That's just my opinion. We should enter the next time. Anyway, stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.